This new iPad is packed full of updates, so let's jump in. Under the hood is a more powerful chip, A13 Bionic, and it pushes even further than the speedy A12 from last year's iPad. With 20% faster performance in every aspect of the chip, from the CPU and GPU to the neural engine, A13 is leaps ahead of the competition. In fact, it makes this iPad up to 3 times faster than the best-selling Chromebook and up to 6 times faster than the best-selling Android tablet. And it means users will see even more responsive performance for all the things they love to do on iPad. From everyday uses like messaging and browsing the web to playing immersive, high-quality games. And as users explore more advanced apps like Adobe Fresco with its super realistic watercolors, A13 delivers the performance they need and then some. And the more powerful neural engine in A13 makes next-generation machine learning experiences, like live text in iPadOS 15, even faster. The upgraded image signal processor in A13 also means the rear camera captures great photos with improved autofocus in low light, and better selfies from the front camera as well. Now, the front camera on iPad is essential for things like remote learning and connecting with family, and that's why we're so thrilled to give it a big upgrade. It's now a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera that produces a huge leap in image quality and enables a super popular feature from iPad Pro, and that's Center Stage. We're bringing the magical Center Stage experience from iPad Pro to this new iPad. Enabled by the ultra-wide front camera and the neural engine, Center Stage makes video calls more engaging by automatically detecting people and dynamically adjusting the frame as they move around or as more people join in. It works in landscape orientation and portrait, so users can enjoy Center Stage in all the ways they use iPad. Not only does Center Stage work in FaceTime, it makes video calls more natural in other popular apps like Zoom, BlueJeans, and WebEx. And it's not just for video conferencing. Users can record, stream, and post Center Stage video in apps like DoubleTake, Explain Everything, and TikTok. It makes you more productive on iPad, and it's simply more fun. Another new feature coming to this iPad that users love is True Tone. It adjusts the display to the color temperature of a room to provide a more comfortable viewing experience. And by retaining the same popular design, this iPad supports a vast array of accessories, including the thin and light Smart Keyboard, and third-party keyboards like Logitech's latest rugged combo with trackpad for schools. And of course, this iPad supports the first-generation Apple Pencil, where iPadOS makes the experience of using Apple Pencil as easy and natural as pen and paper. And this new iPad will ship with iPadOS 15, which is packed with great new features. For example, you can place widgets among your apps, making important information available with just a glance. New multitasking controls make it even easier to launch and use multiple apps. Quick Note gives you a fast and easy way to take notes anywhere. And the list goes on. iPadOS is